Howdy everyone, this is Grant Plano with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, this is a gorgeous two-bedroom. This is in the Kincaid Legacy in Plano, Texas. The Kincaid and Legacy at Plano, Texas. Simply gorgeous high-rise. Look at these windows. This is amazing. Oh my goodness, it's window after window. This is one side, another side with windows. This is a balcony. We'll explore that in just a minute. And then you've got this huge area over here with more windows, more space. It's just phenomenal. I'm trying to get to show you this beautiful kitchen. I'm walking to it now. Man, the kitchen is just beautiful. I love the beautiful quartz countertops that's here. I love how much it overhangs too. That's really pretty. And man, the appliances here are delightful. Got a beautiful Whirlpool appliances with gas. Really classy looking feel and look of the wood. I like the wood color. It's just kind of the perfect color almost. Just really balances out, and they have so much lighting here. It's just very, very well lit. And even with this beautiful windows giving the light, it helps to have that lighting too, and they've taken care of this. This is a gorgeous two-bedroom at the Kincaid Legacy. This is very well done. It would be a fun place to enjoy life here in Plano. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, a personal tour of this or something similar in the Kincaid Legacy, I want you to send me a text. My number's below. What we can do is set up a virtual live tour, and that's, you just being at your house or on the go, and we're giving you the tour, walking around, or you can come in person and see it that way. So either way, the fastest way to do that is to take my number down below, send me a text and say, hey Grant, like the Kincaid, I want to chat with you, and then maybe set up that tour. It can even be today, and we can do a same day tour depending on the time of day. So send me that text, just use the number below, say hi, and I want to show off this Kincaid Legacy to you. It's just worth it. Okay, we're now going to look at the bedroom and the bathroom. We're going to see that right now for both of them. We'll see at this two-bedroom.